A look at Crumlin Courthouse. Welcome to the famous Crumbling Road Courthouse, a building so run down it's currently losing an argument with gravity. Built many years ago and apparently never repaired since, this courthouse proudly stands. Well, mostly stands. From a distance, it looks historic. Up close, it looks like it's one strong breeze away from becoming a car park. The walls are covered in cracks so large they now have their own postcode. Every few minutes, a brick makes a daring escape attempt, proving even the building wants out. The front steps are less of an entrance and more of an extreme sport. Climbing them counts as both a court appearance and a fitness challenge. Inside, the floors creak, groan, and complain louder than the people waiting for their cases to be heard. Even the pigeons have moved out, saying the place is a bit unsafe. Locals say the courthouse isn't falling down, it's simply undergoing a very long, unscheduled demolition. So if you're planning a visit to Crumlin Road Courthouse, remember to bring your paperwork, a hard hat, and maybe a structural engineer, just in case the building decides today's the day it finally loses its case against gravity. Remember to like and share so everyone can have a laugh. Such a pity that buildings like these are getting into the state they are in.